Hello everybody, I'm Veronica and welcome back on L'idee di Penelope channel. Today I will show you how to make a simple masculine card for beginners. Take a white cardstock of 6 1/4 for 11 1/4 inches and score at the half. Then take another cardstock of a color you like and cut of 6 for 5 1/4 inches. Now take two different patterned paper and cut one piece of 5 3/4 for 5 inches and one of 5 for 4 inches. Take also two stripes as you like and place all as this image. Remember to place under the last patterned paper the ribbon. Glue all the layers. Glue under the stamp a recycled cardstock to make some thickness. Make a bow with the ribbon you have put in the front of the card on the right side and glue the stamp on the card. After this, decorate with the banner, the sentiment and all the decoration you like as flowers, pearls, wooden elements, as you like. For the inside of the card, I use the same patterned paper of the outside, but you can do as you like. Don't forget to put on a white cardstock for writing your wishes. Now the card is finished. I hope you liked this video and thank you very much for seeing it.